Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix peeling of wooden paint. Okay, so that means like any wooden structure that you have outside your place. For example, this is my garage door, and on this side I have wood. You see that the paint has been peeling out, so I'm going to show you how you can fix this. Okay, so before I proceed any further, please subscribe to the channel, and I'm going to show you it in a very economical way. Okay, so first of all, what tools I'm using this glasses. Okay, of course, because like especially if you do on upper areas like here, there's a high possibility that some tiny droplets may come and hit your eyes. You don't want that, right? So better you protect. This is like a very what do you call, like, this is not a painting glass, but yeah, if you have a painting glass, that's really good, and especially if you have big job, definitely it's really good. This is a very small job, and this is my home job, that's why I have not taken, but I would recommend you can do that. Okay, again, I'm not a professional painter, so anything you take from this video, do it at your own risk. Second thing is, like, when you do paint, it's always good to put something on the surface so that this area where paint is not supposed to fall remains clean. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some cartons there. Okay, so that but yeah, you can get painter's cloth too, that you can put it there, or if you have old cloth like your waste bed sheet or something, that also you can put here so that anything falls on it and then you can take off. You can also put painters there are so many things you find at many places that you can do, like they're called painter's sticker or painter's cloth. Yeah, that you can do. Okay, now coming to the tools, so depending upon the area that you want to paint, I have purchased this from a dollar store. It's very cheap, and I have like 2-inch, 1.5, and even small. So for the smaller areas there, I may need small brushes because that's where I need. Okay, then I have also purchased this putty knife, because for in the step 1 I'm going to show you how to peel off this paint and clear the area before you apply new paint. Okay, now the most important point, the paint. Okay, so paint you should buy appropriate. Like a lot of people prefer putting primer first and then paint, but you can get paint and primer in one. I have purchased this from Home Depot, and it's good for cabinets and trim, and for jobs like this is excellent. Okay, and this is white paint, and that's what I'm gonna put in over here. Okay, so you can go to a good paint shop and discuss your requirements, and they will definitely suggest you. You might have to pick the color yourself. Now step number 1, what we are gonna do is that we are gonna take the putty knife. Okay, and we are gonna peel off anywhere where it's falling, and you got to be very careful. Okay, this is probably big. I might you should buy something that is appropriate in size, something smaller, so that any area you see where it's like half peeling off or something, you can take that off. Okay, so that when you apply the coating, it goes very smoothly over there. Okay, a lot of people put clock also on it, but I am not gonna do this. So that's what like I'm gonna do, but I have to do it carefully. So I'm gonna just pause the video and do it, and then I'll see you again. So guys, as you can see, I have peeled off. Okay, and then I had to clean also. And now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some cartons here, and I'm gonna start painting. Okay, so I'm gonna show that too. So when you paint only the areas like where the paint has peeled out, selecting an appropriate size brush is required. Okay, if you're doing everything from top to bottom, then depending on the thickness and other things, you can select one. So for this job, I'm going to select this one and this one, these two. Okay, so I'm going to start soon. And before you start doing painting, it's always good to put on gloves in your hand, I'm sorry, so that whatever paint falls, it stays on your hand, and it stays on the gloves and not your hand. Okay, thank you. So now I'm going to begin. See, whenever you do paint or something, it's always good to note the color code of your paint, so that whenever you need maintenance or something, you can definitely do that easily. And yeah, and it's working in this case also. Like when I'm painting it over here, as you can see, same color code is making them exactly the same way. And yeah, you should not leave any gap. You may need to do multiple coatings, it depends. Sometimes people, like if they have dents, they use chalk to fill the dents before they paint, but again, it depends upon your situation too. So I'm gonna do the paint, and then I'm gonna see you guys. So guys, I'm done. As you can see, now I have smooth from top to bottom. Okay, so that's how you can do such external paint. Let me know your feedback and let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.